Aloe vera is supposed to be one of the easiest plants to grow, but here's what I see all the time. People plant it, it looks fine for a few weeks, then the leaves go soft or brown, or the whole plant slowly just collapses. And they say, but aloe is easy. What did I do wrong? Most of the time, it's not the plant, it's how it was planted. Let's fix that properly and calmly. Hello, welcome back to the channel. I'm Nora, and in today's video, we are going to talk about how to plant aloe vera correctly and what most people do wrong that completely destroys the whole process. So mistake number one is using regular potting mix. This is the biggest mistake. Aloe vera is a succulent, so it stores water in its leaves. If you plant it in a regular potting mix, that soil holds too much moisture, and then what happens is the roots sit in wet soil. They start to rot and the leaves become soft and mushy. So the fix here is to use a well-draining mix. So here's a simple formula that we follow. 1 part potting mix, 1 part coarse sand, and 1 part perlite. If you don't have perlite, you can substitute it for pumice. When you squeeze the soil, it should crumble, it should not clump. Drainage is everything when it comes to planting aloe vera correctly. Let's talk about mistake number 2, no drainage holes. So if your pot doesn't have a drainage hole, you're creating a root rot situation. And aloe hates sitting in water, but if you water it lightly, water still collects at the bottom. So always choose terracotta pots or pots with drainage holes, or slightly snug pots, not oversized, because oversized pots holds too much moisture. Just keep it simple. Mistake number 3 is planting too deep, and this one is subtle. Most people bury the base too far into the soil. Aloe should sit slightly above soil level. If the base stays damp, it can rot from the center. And when planting, just keep the crown exposed. Firm the soil gently and don't compact heavily. Roots need air as much as they need water. Mistake number 4 is watering immediately and too often. So after planting, people get excited. They water it heavily. So here's a better approach. After repotting, I need you to wait 2 to 3 days before watering. And what that does is it simply allows tiny root breaks to heal. Then water deeply and let it dry completely before watering again. In Melbourne conditions, this might mean every 2 to 3 weeks in cooler months and slightly more often in hot summer. Always check the soil first, not a calendar. Mistake number 5 is wrong light placement. Now, aloe loves bright light, but sudden harsh afternoon sun can burn its leaves. So if you plant it outdoors, morning sun is perfect. Bright filtered light works beautifully, and avoid deep shade because this causes weak, stretched growth. If you are planting it indoors, place near the brightest window. If the leaves become thin or stretched, it's just asking for more light. So with that being said, here is a quick step-by-step process on how to plant aloe vera correctly. So this is the calm corrected method. Step 1 is to choose a pot with drainage. Step 2 is to prepare a well-draining soil mix. And we're going to go ahead and remove aloe gently from the old pot. Inspect the roots, trim any mushy ones if needed, place slightly above the soil line, and then we're going to go ahead and fill the soil loosely. Don't compact. Wait 2 to 3 days before watering, ideally, and place in indirect, bright sunlight. That's it. Simple, controlled, and intentional. So when should you be able to repot? So repot when the roots grow through the drainage holes, the plant leans heavily, the soil dries too quickly, and the pups overcrowd the pot. Spring is ideal. Early summer also works. Please avoid repotting in winter. Aloe vera is not difficult, it just needs the right foundation. So when you plant it correctly, it becomes one of the most forgiving, resilient, and generous plants in your garden. And once you understand drainage, light, and restraint, it practically takes care of itself. If you grow aloe, tell me, do you grow it indoors or outdoors? And I'll see you in the next video. Take care and have a great day. All the best.